Hi guys, welcome to Amebo I Court. My name na Queen Eternal Day here with
Magalicious baby.
Wow. Okay, for this court we won't bring matter come, and as the matter dey so we go talk and the way it be. Yes, for our court today, and Roselyn I bring a matter come. We say she gets problem and she wants make we help her. Not only us go help her, and herself go follow help her for this matter. What do you think?
Same thing when I think, because we need your audience as well to help Rose, because her marriage dey at stake.
You imagine her marriage, she got, say all women now, everybody get one or two things when they cry, but this one pain am well, pain her enter body. She talks saying ever since she don't marry, say if she and her husband won't make love for nights, the husband mama, her mother-in-law no go agree. Say she dey always dey sleep in between her and her husband.
And how they want to make love.
How they want, say the thing don tire her. She don't even talk to the husband. Call the man, come honey, this thing way mom see they do.
No even great give us space.
Space, you know. Then the husband come tell her say na so they do am, na the norm be that. And she no dey comfortable with wetin dey happen. So what do you think about this thing?
And if you ask me, being the Magalicious baby on the High Court of the table today, I go feel say it is very wrong for the mother-in-law to dey come in between the wife and the husband. But may we first ask ourselves, she don't do her own marriage pass, and that was her own time. Why be say she no wan make the husband, the son and the wife to feel just enjoy themselves?
But what if na so they do the thing? What if na she and the bond between her and her son dey so strong, like she no wants let go?
My opinion to this case now is be like this. Roselyn need to think wise, to let herself know say this na marriage I don enter. And wetin mother-in-law wan carry come like this na to come scatter between she and the husband. She go need to pet the husband very well, so the husband fit dance to her tune, to make am feel work, so the mama fit give them space a bit. If sex no dey in between marriage, the two couple, how the marriage won't take the sweet? Because
or make she fight the grandma, make her mother-in-law dey go. What do you think? Or make she fight am, pursue am, come for her, say no come, like many other women they do. Mama no spoil my house, mama no do this, they go. Abi make she do am like that.
Remember wetin you first talk, say the bond between the mama and the son.
No, I notice. I say what if? Now what if? Yes.
So if the comment comes say the bond between the mama and the son, it is very strong, and she can't decide to take am by fight, e no go work.
And she go lose.
She go lose at the end. But the husband go say, I no go fit, instead of you I go go for my mama. And imagine when man go tell you that kind of thing. So e better say make she calm down first, pet the husband well, use wisdom, because these days now wisdom you go use follow marriage. Use wisdom to follow the mama, pet the mama, make she try let the mama understand say if marriage be like this, when me and your son no fit get intimate together, the thing no go fit work out. Or you want make your son dey go outside, dey go sleep with other women outside, how you go free? So try dey give us space for our own, make we just stay as wife and husband, or make we organize another apartment for you to stay.
Wow.
That one na opinion number one be that.
And again, what if say ma just talk my own? No, I won't talk my own down. What if they leave momsy for bed, go another place, go continue wetin they want do, come back? Oh, what do you think now?
That one na another different idea as well, because it will still make sense. But now every night they want to leave momsy for bed to come out, go another place to go make love.
Wow.
Because they need, if last say you don't try all possible means, momsy say she no wan give chance, make them arrange another place for her to stay, or make them leave her the house. If money dey, because these days now money dey solve all problem. If money dey, make them find another apartment for momsy.
They find another apartment for momsy. Momsy no gree, record the other one where they did.
Wait, I swear. Swear the inside.
Okay, make they find another apartment. Momsy no gree stay there. Won't put am, because normal she not supposed to that house dey for long like that. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. Momsy go now, it don't do. So wetin come make her dey there
for 1 month
for a long time? If na only 1 month, she be dey feel her body, she still go now.
who know whether you don't even stay 1 year sef.
Imagine. So now when they talk, you know why they talk so? They come from another house for am. Mom say no gree dey house say they fight for her. God say no, she must stay with them or you know those kind of moms wey dey feel like say they dey lonely, they gats just dey with their pikin. Or what do you think now?
Based on as I introduce myself as the all the Magalicious #1. If you ask me wetin I think inside this matter, when I don try use all normal way based on daughter-in-law, she say she no wan go.
Okay.
She say she wan come in between me and my husband.
Na her pikin o. Na her pikin na your husband.
Na her pikin na my husband o. Na she born the pikin because me sef don born for the pikin. Na her pikin but na my husband. And the pikin bin no disturb her when she dey with her own husband.
When she take born.
If you wan come in between me and my husband now, wahala don happen na to comot dey go back to your husband house o.
You pursue am.
Yes na.
Through where I load.
We go book Uber don dey now. Husband no need to go drop am again. If you no wan take am as we want am for house, say you wan come in between me and my husband, you wan come make life or make my own marriage dey difficult for me, say wetin happen no? I bin dey when you dey enjoy your own, you don live your life, so why should you come enter inside my own now? You wan come enter inside my own marriage now, come scatter my own home? We go make you comot by force now.
Okay, Roslyn, don hear wetin she talk now. Yes, so she don tell you say the first way she wan make you do, make you first talk to your husband. Pet your husband. Then the next one, make you come talk to Momsi. Yes, so pet Momsi too. If Momsi no gree, pet Momsi also, you know. Make she understand say you people make she give una small space. So that now for her own good because so that how she wan take see her own grandchildren, you go explain to her say grandma, this kind thing wey you wan do no so.
No way you go say daughter-in-law need dey bring grandchildren.
No bring so that how you wan take
grandchildren dey come. Children dey come from heaven. So
for your own good, so that this thing wey you don dey
in between us for bed, you know, dey let us dey meet ourselves. Momsi, please,
so now the grandchildren go come during holiday, come help you too. By the time you don dey tell am the things, the advantages of okay now wetin suppose be, and see say age no dey your pikin side again, you know, you say you go happy now make your grandchildren, make you see your grandchildren before you go. By the time you don tell her all these things, realize her head go don come down and you dey pet am small. Momsi, you know now how e suppose be, and before you know, she go gree if she get sense o. Then she go to say if the thing no come work out that way, Momsi say na wahala she bring come this life, na only this son she get, make she come dey scatter up and down, then you come give her wetin she want.
The wahala na im go carry am comot from there.
Say you pursue am. How you wan take pursue am? You book Uber for am.
Sharparly and moyally, if you no get the Uber gon sef, app dey there, download the app gon sef, book Uber, make Uber come. Say your things don arrange like this, so you don't need to comot from my husband house. This one na my husband house.
So you go give am fire for fire. Hey,
let am know say this one na my husband house, no be your own husband, na your pikin, yes, but if me and your pikin now no come together to born as you born, wetin you go say I be winch abi? I carry winch comot from my mama house take come, and na you be the winch wey wan come winch me. Roslyn, you need to tie belt.
Okay, and another one wey I wan still chook mouth inside, call one family members wey dey close to am, explain things, make e no be like say
na very good point to carry come like that.
Call one family members, you know,
maybe like any of your sisters.
So that when other people don follow and talk say Momsi, wetin you do now, you too carry your leg comot for person house. If another person don tell am, she know say be like say this thing, you know say if one person dey about 3 people dey tell the person wetin you do no good, wetin you do no good, be like say the person go think again, say one person don talk, the second one, the third one, be like say wetin I do no good. Shame sef go don, by the time they chook mouth, shame sef go don catch you.
You go even make am make e even comot sef. If he decide to on her own, say okay, make her dey go,
make her dey go.
But no still forget am o, if she in case she say I no wan comot, before no be now again. Roslyn, no be now again o. Don't let one mother-in-law come scatter your home. I tell God beg you.
Una don hear.
But no use anger start am. Make you dey very careful. Make you calm down. Make you pet your mother-in-law.
Okay.
Dey very close to your husband. Because your husband now na him get the key to this problem now. Na if you solve the issue wey dey down. If your husband no come inside this problem, if you say you dey vex with your mother-in-law, you transfer the vex go meet your husband again, you go stand to lose because your husband now no go know where to stand. You don dey pursue and dey go outside. You no dey comfortable with you. You no dey comfortable with mama for house. So now you need to dey very patient.
Okay, and apply wisdom for this matter. Una don hear as e dey take go. Una sef fit contribute una own ideas. Una fit send us the one wey don happen for una eyes, the one you dey pass through. Send your messages to us. We go help you, go analyze the whole thing and make it for good for you, and make we for dey happy say yes, we don put joy for one person face. Now make we bring this program. Una no forget to subscribe and make una like and share. Bye till another time.
Thank you.